Okay, are we live? Um, it's 5 a.m., which means officially the advent of code is out. So let's get to it. Um, okay, so day one is here. Okay, let's start the what's my development environment. All right, now let's open it in VS Code. Santos, wait, I did put a tweet out. The elves have brought you on the annual expedition to the grove where the fruits supply enough supply enough magical energy. The expedition needs to retrieve a minimum of 50. That's by December. Okay. The jungle must be too overgrown and difficult to navigate new vehicles or access without expedition traditionally brought. As the boats approach land, the elves begin taking inventory of their supplies. One important consideration is food. Number of calories each elf is carrying for well. Okay. The elves take turns writing down the number of calories contained by the various meals. Each elf separates their own inventory from the rest of the inventory if any by a blank line. Suppose the elves finish writing their 9 times calories and end up with the following list: 1,000, 2,000. The list represents the calories the food carried by the 5 elves. Okay. And the first elf is carrying food with a total of 6,000 calories. The second elf is carrying 4,000 calories. The third elf is carrying get it, and so on and so forth. In the case of the elf gets hungry, in case the elves get hungry and need extra snacks, they need to know which elf to ask. They'd like to know how many calories are being carried by the elf carrying the most calories. In the example above, this is alright. Find the elf carrying the most calories. How many total calories is the elf carrying? This should be easy. This is quite straightforward, I think. Let me first, copy over the test inputs. Um, and I already have some template code here, which oh boy. Okay, let's save this and come back in here. I don't know why the ID is complaining, but they're saying I should probably rename it. Alright, now we have functionality. Okay, so data has been read. What is the expected output of this particular question? In this case, it was 24,000. I'm going to copy it over into my expected solution, and then try writing the code for but first I need to process the data. I know it is being read from a file inputs and then data.read lines, and they are going to be separated by white spaces. So basically, okay, let me process the data this way. Read all the lines and split by the white spaces. Yeah, there is exactly one white space in between each helps. Yeah, so I'm going to break it down into a list of lists. And how I'm going to do that is over here. So let's go back to one process. Data, and it should just be a list of I'm thinking of it as the simplest way to use this comprehension to do this. Basically, now let me just build it manually. And create a template to here for data for I in data if the red I is some sort of a white space, then we should process data. Data pattern, and we keep building there. Yeah, but we need to be resetting it after it has been put into the process data list. Yeah, so basically this will basically ensure that our data gets processed. To test it out, let's run the code here, and at this stage we should just print out the process data to see if it is doing what we expect it to do. Yes. So let's save this and run this real quick. Systems are warming up. I guess it's running for the first time, so. Okay, let's see what we did. Oh, right, we didn't strip off the white lines. Yeah, that's fine. So let's strip off the white lines just before we it again. What? Sorry, I didn't save it. I spelled it wrong. Did I save it? What? Oh, right. It's not necessarily going to be empty space, is going to be a new line. And I'm already having it line. Let's put out the. I'm just a little bit rusty, that's all. Um, sorry. So input I in data if the I is n, else put into I. I'm returning. This is funny. Okay, great. Silly issue has been solved. Right. And so now that I have broken it down into a list of each elf's bag, right? I can solve the problem in here. And the problem basically is just calculating the solution, the total weight that each elf is carrying. So I'm guessing it's going to be a map, right? So I'm just hoping that's how you spell weight. And yeah, map takes two things. The first one is a callable, and then the second argument is an iterable. So the callable is going to be just sum the list, so it's sum x, and then the iterable that we are going to pass is the input data. And so once we've calculated the weight, we can return the maximum of whoever is carrying the most. Okay, and I can get rid of this, and I think I will be done with solution 1. Right, I didn't cast them to integers over here, so let me do that when I'm presenting the data. Okay, so it seems to be working for the input data. Everyone's complaining. Right. Yeah. So I think we can move on to uh, what their input is supposed to be since our code is working for the tests data. So let's get our puzzle input and then copy over this to this place and input the text. Place it over here, save it, and then the code should now be printing out. And the final answer for the part 1, 69281. I can't seem to copy. Let me type it out. 69281. Okay, and we should be yay. So we've got part 1 down. Let's go to part 2. Part 2 says, by the time you get to the answer to the else questions, they've realized that the elves carrying the most calories of food might eventually run out of snacks. To avoid this unacceptable situation, the elves would instead like to know how the total calories carried by the top 3 elves carrying the most calories the way. That way, even if one of those elves runs out of snacks, they still have 2 backups. Okay, so now they want to avoid the situation of one elf running out of food, and so they are saying that the total calories carried by the top 3 elves. Ooh, carried by the top 3 elves. Even if one of those elves just 2 backups. Even if one of those elves runs out of snacks, still have 2 backups. Okay, so now they want to do top 3. No, right. Okay, so in the example above, the top 3 elves are the 4th elf with right, then the 3rd elf with that, and then then the 5th elf with that. Alright, the sum of the calories carried by the 3 elves is 4,500. 45,000. So find the top 3 and then add them. How many calories are there going to be if I add the top 3? That's what this is asking for. And this is also fairly straightforward too as well. So I guess we're just going to come to it, and then in the part 2, do the same thing, but instead of returning just the maximum weight, we are going to return the sorted weights and then the first 3 of it. So the first 3, sorted. Sorted is going to be doing it. So let me just do the last 3 then. Let me just do it. Yeah. So let's do from the last 3, so minus 3 all the way to the end of it. Yeah, that should return what we are looking for. And for this one, they are saying that the test is 45,000. Test input is 45,000. So we should be expecting 45,000 when we run this. We can disable part 1 for now. Or let's just keep it running. I mean, it doesn't really hurt. Let's so that it doesn't put any expected. It was printed out in our code. So yeah, instead of printing the maximum voltage, you just print the last three heaviest. So this should also do it. This is 45,000. Let's run this code. Okay, I clearly did something wrong. Got to subscriptable. Why am I? Right. This thing is still a mock object. So let me cast it to a list. And then here. I'm sorry, what? Yes, sir. The subscription is still inside. Yeah, list of weight and cast it to that. Okay. So yes, so let's find the sum of it, not the actual thing. So let's do sum of this. And this should be 45,000, I suppose. Okay, clearly something isn't right. Oh, sorry. I'm reading the wrong data. Okay, now that's strange. Let's see what we have here. Before we did the sum that we were getting. Now let's compare this with what they gave us. 24,000, 11,000, and 4,000. 24,000, 11,000, and why does mine say 10,000? Is the last elf not being calculated as part of it? Yeah, I might be thinking, so let me print out the data and see. This one printed part of it. Come on, let's see. Yeah, for some reason, my last input, which in this case is supposed to be 10,000, is being left out. I guess I know what to do here. And this should fix it. I believe. Let's see. I'm saying for I in data, if it is a new line, push this inside. If it is not, oh, right. I'll clean this up later. I just want to get the answer out of the way. Alright, yeah. So we can go ahead and then assume now that this part is sorted out, this part would also be sorted out as well. And then just return the sum of the part 2, and we should be good to go. Okay. Alright, so it should be able to solve this part. It should be 153150. Everything checks out. Every single thing checks out. What am I missing? Calculating their weight. And I'm turning it into a list and sorting them. Let me just not slice it for now and then return the entire thing. This is perfectly sorted. Alright. So why can't I see it? Oh boy. Was I blind? Was I blind? Okay, and so that should bring us to the close of today's AOC. Give an answer to wait after submitting. Come on, man. Okay, so yeah, I've gotten my 2 stars. Let's see how I did today. Terrible, probably. No, not the general leaderboard, obviously. People solve this like in the first 5 minutes or so. I'll wait to wait for the general leaderboard. But let's look at some of the private leaderboards that we have inside. Back, back, yeah. Okay. That's going to be a tough one. Why does it say 1 star? It's supposed to have 2 stars. Oh, sorry. Yes, a gold star is 1 star. Okay, people are doing well. Let's look at the other leaderboard too as well. Yeah. Okay. I guess Elvis was just faster today. Time to push as well. Let's just push the code here. Probably need some cleaning up, but I just have to push it right now and then. Or probably not. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. If you watch, I'll see you same time tomorrow.